Dude, those are nice.
We're getting ready to install some Brixton RF10 wheels, as you see here on a Tesla Model S. One thing I like about this is how the spokes are super thin. A lot of the entry-level, mid-level wheels typically have thicker spokes, and the forged wheels are the ones that typically have thinner spokes because they're stronger.
Oh, look, I'm blowing him away.
A few moments later.
Brand new Brixton RF10 wheels on this Tesla Model S. Really love how this came out. 21-inch front and rear staggered in satin black. The Tesla has really clean, smooth body lines, so it needs a busier, more detailed wheel to kind of break that up. And the RF10 really does that since it is like a mesh multi-spoke design. I honestly think that the client picked a much simpler wheel, like a 5-spoke split wheel. It wouldn't have the same effect like it does now. So it's pretty much flush with the car, which is nice. We do have a few of these sets left in stock, so if you want a set, hit us up. Right now we're on our way to Shinku Classics. We're going to be picking up some RX7 parts for Ted.
Where's Shinku?
Take down the sign.
Where's Shinku?
It's right here, is it not? What is this?
Where's Shinku? Where's Shinku? Oh, Shinku.
That's kind of dope.
Should we just go in? You can't tell, but I'm smiling right now.
Ooh, so cool. There they are. Yo.
This is really nice.
You want FaceTime Ted?
The paint is in very good condition. The rear seats are in good shape.
I like it. Ted doesn't like the color, but I think it's pretty dope. The hood is sick. Carbon fiber looks really nice. I don't see any cracking or peeling. That's pretty cool. I like these. I like the colors. They're fun.
Dude, that detail is nice.
It's glass?
Yeah, well,
Plexiglass?
It's very Japanese.
So I want to show you guys this chrome delete that we saw. That way when you guys get your chrome delete on your car, you have an idea as far as quality control goes, so you know what to expect. There are levels of quality when it comes to chrome delete. I'm not trying to make fun of the client or the installer. I just want to show you guys this so you guys are aware. So originally, this part is chrome, and this part is chrome. From this distance, it seems okay, right? Everything is covered. But when we get a little closer, on this corner here, you can see they just literally made this really jagged triangle piece to cover this chrome area. It just seems so last minute, like there was like, oh, we forgot about this almost. Like it's not even straight. Look at this. It's starting to lift and you see the chrome coming back through. Very easy for dirt to just collect on this edge here, destroy the adhesive, and eventually this whole thing will just lift more and more. It's pretty bad on this side too. There's just so many layers, film on top of film. It just looks really messy. And on this side, it has already lifted. Inside edge here, you can see it's a separate piece and it's already lifting a lot. The edge of the mirror here, this whole part has been lifted. It shouldn't be like this. Like the way it's cut on top here, you can see it's jagged. More than likely they cut into the chrome when they remove the excess off of this. Boston HF4Ts, pretty nice contrast considering the whole car is mainly white and chrome. Black and the dark gray finish on the wheels just kind of add a nice twist to things. Get it because the wheels are twisted? Oh man, that was great, Haywood.
No, that was a joke.
20 inches, nice and flush as you guys can see. Here's a close-up of the finish. So this is tinted gloss black, black on the outer, but then gunmetal in the middle. We have matching Boston lug nuts. Really happy with how it came out. It really gives the car some edge to it.
God, it smells so good.
How'd you get a brand new one?
$300. It is expensive.
Smell it, bro. Smell it.
Smell it.
It doesn't have any threads on it.
No way.
Did you read the feedback on the eBay user? That's it for the vlog. If you want to work in a car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.
Bye, guys. We got work to do.
What are the numbers? Dustin wrote our game stats down.
Whoa. 6 and 9, 2 and 2, 5 and 5. I didn't go 1 and 7.
You want to see it?
1 and 7? Yeah. What?
Dustin is the best. Next is me.
Sean, a .7. You believe? Sitting in his car, writing on his horn. Were you writing on your horn?